Fall Punch, take one. Hey, Reed here behind the bar with Kelly.
Hi, everyone.
Best customer ever.
Right?
Yeah. And it is, it's almost officially fall, right?
It's
Fall starts on the 22nd.
We've been over this. It's fall.
Yeah, and I'm very excited about the drink for today, though. Because,
what are you doing?
Well, this is cool. There's a vodka that I love. It's called Zubrowka or Lemongrass Vodka. It comes from Poland. Love it. It's great in the fall with apple juice. But we were going through old Ellicott City. I went to Ellicott Distillery, and they have a lemongrass vodka.
That was lemongrass.
Right?
I forgot about that.
Lemongrass vodka, and it tastes. And they made it with Zubrowka in mind. They're from Russia near the Polish border, and they like Zubrowka also. So I thought, let's find a cocktail that usually has the bison grass in it and make it with a lemongrass and see how that goes. Never done it before, but I think it's going to be good.
Okay.
Okay.
You know, you're witnessing this as I'm witnessing this.
So this has got a few more ingredients than normal. But
I know. Look what you've done over there.
Got a lot of stuff. Okay, so I know I'm excited. I hope it doesn't suck because I've really never tried it. But this is okay. It's called a Fall Punch, and the Fall Punch is going to be a mix of a few different juices with the vodka, and we'll shake it and we'll see how it goes. All right, let's just jump right into it.
Let's do it. Yeah.
Okay. So we're going to build this because we'll be shaking it. We'll build this.
Ooh, yay.
Yeah, we're shaking. We're not going to muddle though. We're just going to shake.
It's okay.
All right. Okay. So as I mentioned, we're going to start with 2 ounces of vodka. This is now. If you don't live near Ellicott City, Maryland, try the bison grass vodka, Zubrowka vodka. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
But if you haven't
7,
been to Ellicott
8.
City, you should go.
It's
old
very
Ellicott
cool. City is a cool place.
Very fun
and
place.
they've been through some tough times with floods, but they're back and they're raring to go. All right. Now, another reason I'm excited about this is that it has passion fruit.
I know, you bought passion fruit?
Yeah.
You guys don't know how far he's come in trying new foods since we first met. He bought passion fruit.
Yeah, now I'm going to eat it too. So this is a purple passion fruit. They also have yellow ones. Now
I didn't know that.
These are kind of funny looking. If you can see that,
it's kind of like an alien egg.
Kind of like got goo inside of it. And the recipe calls for a passion fruit per drink, but I cut open 3 passion fruits and found there's a different amount of fruit inside of each fruit. You know, usable.
Well, that makes sense.
So
Yeah.
So it's okay. So to normalize it, I'm going to use 2
No, I just go.
I'm going to use 2 tablespoons of fruit.
I'm not making fun. It's just amazing to me that you bought passion fruit.
Okay, well, we're going to have to get over that eventually.
I guess I will, yeah.
I'm going to buy some other stuff later too. Okay, so that's 2 tablespoons of passion fruit, and you can adjust this to your taste, right? Now, next, I want to use, actually reading the recipe, 1 ounce of pear juice.
Pear juice.
Okay, and that's a fall kind of thing, right? So do 1 ounce pear juice.
I didn't even know they made pear juice. I mean, I guess I did know that. I just
very
hadn't really
juicy.
paid attention.
And then I'm going to do 1/2 ounce each of lemon, and okay, here's lemon juice. I have about 1/2 ounce of this. Okay, the idea is for this to be somewhat tart, and 1/2 ounce of passion fruit syrup. Yeah, so now we have this.
Yeah, now we have passion fruit.
Well, a lot of it too. So I hope this is a good drink, or else we'll have to find something else to use for it.
Might be good on ice cream. I don't just throwing it out there.
Okay, there you go. And then we shake. Okay.
Hey, the
now,
best part.
This is it's gonna be kind of pulpy. I have to strain it carefully.
Oh, that looks interesting. That looks like bubble tea.
Okay, well, I don't like bubble tea all that much.
But I do.
Okay, some fresh ice in here.
So then you strain so you don't get all the...
So you try not get. I don't want to get too many seeds in there.
Right. Those are pretty big seeds.
Yeah, we're gonna get a little bit of passion gunk in there, but there's that. Okay, now, hey, that's not full, but guess what? We're gonna top it with a dry champagne or a sparkling white wine, right?
Very festive.
Now, you can use Brut champagne. Brut just means dry, right? It's the driest of the. Or if you don't want, champagne is just sparkling white wine, so you get dry sparkling white wine.
Very festive.
That's what this is. This is from California.
This is exciting.
So you top it off with that, and not overflow it. And now again, this is supposed to be a little bit tart, and depending.
I like tart.
Yeah, depending on what you
no
can.
Comment with that.
I'm trying to be good. Okay, now you can garnish this the recipes that I saw call for garnishing with a gooseberry, actually, which would be awesome. I couldn't find any gooseberries.
Those are hard to find.
But you got to use something. You should. I mean, you don't have to. I use something kind of tart. So we're using lemon, and we'll add a little more wine to that too.
Wow, this is a serious drink, my friend.
So, now, I have no idea what it's going to taste like. So I'll let Kelly try it.
Excellent. Happy to.
There's some seeds in it.
Right now, I can just taste the champagne.
Okay.
I think it needs a stir.
Let's stir it.
Yeah. Okay. Oh, there it is. This is tart.
Can I try it?
Yeah, yeah, it's good. You can definitely taste the passion fruit.
Oh wow. Hey, I like that. I like passion fruit now.
Do you think you're ready to try spaghetti squash now?
No, I've tried. I don't like spaghetti squash.
Okay.
So, okay, if you try this, you can always mess with the recipe a little. Add a little more pear juice if it's too tart. Add a little more passion fruit syrup, or add more lemon or whatever to make it more tart.
It is good. It seems like a fussy drink for you, but
yeah, but I really like this vodka, and I wanted to make something not just like vodka and apple juice.
Right.
Because this is really good just with apple juice.
But
really.
I can see why this is fall too, because you can taste the pear.
The pear?
Yeah.
Good. Well, okay. We've learned a lot today.
Haven't we?
We've learned a lot today. One thing that we didn't learn today, which we already knew, is if you can make great cocktails, then your favorite bar is wherever you are.
And we're here.
And here we are in the almost fall.
In the almost fall.
Aha!
Still
almost fall.
Still going through COVID, and so we'll probably be here for a while.
That's not so bad.
Yeah.
Right.
All right.
Thanks for doing it.
Bye.